Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely cracking Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX 40th Anniversary Performance Edition. Here we have a Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX 40th Anniversary Performance Edition. This is a 2024 bike on a 74 plate with just 1,125 miles and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition and looks absolutely fantastic in this 80s retro colour scheme. Looks just like an old GPZ 900, the colour scheme on this one, so it looks absolutely stunning. With the embroidered seat there, as you can see, looking really good. The grab rails undamaged. Petrol tank likewise in superb condition. Bar ends, levers and your mirrors all tip top. Absolutely nothing to apologise for on this motorcycle whatsoever. All the bodywork in absolutely superb condition. That older retro style badge there denouncing the bike as liquid cooled. And the capacity sticker on the bottom, absolute throwback there as well. So this being the performance model, you've got the crash bungs fitted there, the Kawasaki crash bungs and the Akrapovič carbon fibre silencer, which is in excellent condition as well. The rear wheel there, all in superb condition with no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, and the rear tyre, of course, such low mileage, plenty of tread left on that one. There's a pyramid hugger there, which is an extension to the standard item by the looks of it. Adjustable shock absorber, all the bodywork on the back there looking good. There's a tail tidy as well. Front mudguard, all in excellent condition, as is the fork leg there as well. The exhaust, no sign of any corrosion. Tucked in there, and there's a radiator guard as well, branded one there for you. And the front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, all in superb condition. The front tyre, plenty of tread left there as well. The front of the bike, no stone chips, cracks or damage to the fairing or the headlamps. There's a Puig tinted screen, and of course that's adjustable, manually adjustable. The front mud guard and the front of the bike all looking really good as well. No stone chips, cracks or damage there. The left hand side of the bike, again, absolutely nothing to apologise for here. Bar ends, mirrors, levers, all in superb condition. No sign of any drop damage. The fairing, all looking good as well. No stone chips or damage of any kind, likewise on the engine. Crash bung, also undamaged. Petrol tank looking really good there as well. The forks and mudguard on this left hand side, all looking really good. Of course, the bike's got Kawasaki traction control and ABS. It's also an up and down quick shifter, and the bike does benefit from Kawasaki heated grips. The chain sprockets all in really good condition there. Loads of life left on those, of course, with just over 1,100 miles on the bike. No sign of any damage to the rear foot peg, shock absorber and linkage and everything in there. No sign of any corrosion. Bodywork and grab rails also looking really tidy. So no rips or tears in either of the seats, and I have to say they look fantastic with that red stitching. There's a tank protector there as well. The bike now comes with a TFT colour dash as well. You also get cruise control and a few rider modes to boot. So if you are looking for a stunning sports tourer, look no further than this beautiful Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this cracking Kawasaki, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take the inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.